option when you're soldering your bullet connectors. I was just playing around, and I'm building a hexacopter, so I'm adding a few bullet connectors to the motor, so I just tried this way and it works pretty good, so I thought I'd show it to you. So basically you can just take a drill, and since I got to put on 3 bullet connectors, I just drilled 3 holes. A drill that's just slightly smaller than the bullet connectors I'm putting on. So I just put them in the holes here, like that. I turn the holes towards me using my helping hands again. Check and see if so you can just do one wire at a time. Put your wires in the jaws. Set it in there. Some iron's hot. So the tip in the hole. Put a little drop of solder there just to transfer the heat to the bullet connector. And just fill the cup up. You'll see when it comes all the way to the top. And just a little easier than using both claws to hold on to the parts. And then just let it set for a minute until it hardens up. If you need a little extra solder to top it off, make sure the cup's right full to the top. Give it a second to cool. The bullet connectors retain quite a bit of heat when you're soldering them, so easy way to see is just try moving it. Yep, it's hardened up. Just take it out of the jaws. I'll show you the next one here too. So I pre-tinned these wires, just heated up, put a little solder on them. In the cup. Now I'm using a Weller WES51 soldering iron, just the not the digital control, just the dial control. It's set about 700 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'll tip in the hole again. A little bit of solder helps transfer the heat to the connector. Fill the cup right up. That way you can get it right centered. Let it cool before you check it. Just hard to whip around the camera here. So, there you go. Nice solid connectors. Don't forget your heat shrink. So get your heat gun. This is the Black & Decker regular heat gun. set on low. You don't have to worry, it won't melt the wires, just the right temperature to shrink these. There you go. So that's the hexacopter I'm building there, the 6 motors, so I had to put lots of the bullet connectors on. So I just thought I'd show you this little tip. Makes it a little easier and not as finicky maybe. And so there's the Weller 51 soldering iron. It's a really good one, not digital control, but you can set the temperatures. I find it's pretty accurate. So yeah, hope that helped, give you a little option, another way to do that I found. So yeah, you can just put the 3 holes, you can put 3 bullet connectors in there and do a whole motor at once and move on to the next. Thanks, take care.